Oh yeah, we got a lot of power, 150 watts, oh yeah.
Tools you can use today, we have something from DeWaldo. It's a battery powered air inflator. Now this model number is model number Inflator-01. I like it. It's not a tongue twister, not a lot to have to remember. This is part one, let's open it up. Comes with a ball needle, tire valve adapter, a whopping 150 watts of power.
Power, as they say, oh yeah.
And rated for 160 PSI max. And this is what it comes with. It's about $40 or so, give or take. And if you saw the video we did on the DeWalt air inflator, that's been Big John's go-to.
I've used it tons of times.
We're gonna put them up against each other as a comparison in the next one. And, you know, this thing is super compact, but does it work? How long will it take? These questions and more answered in part two. Does this work? Yeah, that felt good. Now they could have done a better job with the yellow. And I do want to say this thing has a nice little LED on it. Do a close up of that.